Hi, welcome to day 6 of the 7-day decluttering challenge. It's coming to a close, folks. I hope it's been beneficial for you. Today, let's focus on a small surface, like the one behind me, right there. That's my, I don't know what that is. I'm in my office, so it's not a nightstand. It's a small dresser. It used to be a nightstand. Anyway. Focus on something small like that. The top of a dresser, the top of a nightstand, a coffee table, an end table in your living room, an entryway table, something again small. I keep repeating myself, but you want to narrow your focus to small, small, small to avoid the overwhelm. Even if you want to focus on a kitchen counter, that's fine. Maybe you have a really small kitchen counter, but you could also break up a larger counter into sections and just focus on one at a time, one session at a time. So there it is, a surface. That's your focus for today. Let me know how it goes. I hope you're doing well. See you tomorrow.